Welcome to the Sky Kennel assembly line training for new operators. This session will guide you through the onboarding process and standard work procedures. Let's dive into the line targets and metrics. For item number 00100, the Sky Kennel supports up to 15 pounds, while item number 00500 is for the extra large 2-pack. Note the tools, standard units per hour, cycle time, and pack out details for each item. Critical warnings are essential for quality control. Remember, rear holes should only be punched in the top hull. Green dots go on the SCS label, and each unit needs exactly 2 UPC labels. If you spot a defect, it's better to scrap than return. Labeling standards ensure every unit is correctly marked. Center the Sky Kennel label on the front, place the Ecotech label on the right side wall, and apply the SCS label without covering the barcode. Precision is key to passing QC. For the top hull pack out an SCS label, load the hull with necessary items, ensuring the SCS label never covers the barcode. Follow the special instructions for precise assembly. UPC label placement is crucial for both items. Ensure labels are correctly positioned on the top and bottom hulls, and apply the correct number of labels as specified. Operators 1, 2, and 3 manage the initial assembly stages. From pulling the bottom hull to applying UPCs, each step is vital for smooth operation. Remember, rear holes go on the top hull only. Operators 4 and 5 focus on vent and handle assembly. Install side vents, handle back plates, and apply labels accurately to ensure quality and consistency. The accessory pack and prep operator ensures everything inside the top hull is ready for the customer. From taping hardware to placing water cups, precision is key. For the number 00500 pneumatic vent crimp operators, crimp the vents and apply labels with precision. Keep hands clear of the crimp fixture to ensure safety. Packing and quality check operators ensure each unit is correctly packed and verified. From placing absorbent pads to securing hulls, every step is crucial for quality assurance. The key packer workflow involves nesting, tying, and palletizing. Ensure each box is labeled correctly and the barcode remains uncovered for efficient processing. Safety and housekeeping are paramount. Keep pallets in their Kanban location, stamp each box, and wear PPE at all times. Report defects immediately to maintain a safe environment. Thank you for your attention and commitment to quality. Your role is vital in maintaining the standards of the Sky Kennel assembly line.